Hello, good people. Today I want to take you through the hike, especially for a group, the different stages and the emotions during the hike. So, every hike begins with a lot of expectations, especially for new hikers. They're really looking forward to a good hike, a good experience. So, the energy is high, people are vibing, people are cracking jokes. Everyone is excited, everyone is looking forward to a good day. And then as you walk for a few hours, the mountain starts to show its true color. It starts getting steep, although it rewards you with good views. And so at this point, the vibe has gone down. People are listening to their lungs, to their breathing. People are listening to their heartbeats, and people are concentrating on their next step. And then as you near the summit, the conversations have reduced. Everyone is focusing on their next step and listening to their breath and also soaking in the mountain energy, the good views. As you move up, things get quieter. Even in the mountain, the vegetation has changed. It's become more dense and more greener. Remember your geography. And so it becomes very beautiful and appealing. And most people, it is at this point that most people will take pictures, record videos, and do all those things. As you get to the summit, the excitement returns. Someone told me it's the dopamine rush because of knowing that you've conquered, that you've got to the summit. To get to the summit, everyone is now excited again. People are taking pictures at that congratulations board and resting and doing all those things.
Why is it so hard to say? If all it is 8 letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is 8 letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is 8 letters, when I close my eyes, it's you there, I'm with you. When I close my eyes, if all it is 8 letters, when I close my eyes, it's you there, am I with you? When I close my eyes, if all it is 8 letters.
People get a new lease of energy at the summit. So the conversations are starting to be revived again. People are reflecting on how the trails were. People are sharing, people are vibing. It's a good
Why
thing.
is it so hard to say? If all it is 8 letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is 8 letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is say that when I close my eyes, it's you there, I'm with you. When I close my eyes, if all it is say that when I close my eyes, it's you there, I'm with you. When I close my eyes, if all it is say that.
So it's time to go back. Going back has no major challenges. You've already seen those views, but for me, I prefer to take pictures on my way back because I feel like when I'm going up, if I start taking pictures, and if you know me, I'll take 1,000 pictures. If I start taking pictures when I'm going up, I'll waste a lot of time. So I prefer to take my pictures when I'm going down because then I know how much time I have, to get down. I'll just estimate the time I took up and then how much I need to go down. So I take pictures on my way down.
But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun